There are now just under 300,000 confirmed cases of coronavirus and almost 13,000 deaths.
COVID-19 is roughly 10 times more lethal.
Statewide stay-at-home order. Stay home now. Lives are depending on you.
And we're also calling on you to quarantine the sick.
You know, it could get worse before it gets better. It could
get worse before it gets better.
Ooh, I like that lighting, but look, we back with another banger. That clip y'all just saw, bro. That clip y'all just saw that I added to this video. I was not adding it to be funny, but I was just, you know, basically showing y'all what's going on around the world. You know, to those who ain't paying attention, COVID-19 is going crazy. This video that I shot it prior to COVID-19. I shot it before this whole pandemic started. So I don't want anybody to think I'm trying to be funny or anything. But, you know, it's just my heart goes out to all the families and everybody that's suffering from it. So, like, this ain't nothing to play with. You know, this is something serious. So I made this video because I'm trying to give y'all something to laugh to. But look. You know, we still on the road to 1K. So what I want y'all to do is make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your post notifications, man. We lit.
Rather than a big ass Defender, whatever.
I don't see no. You sure you don't smell that?
I gotta get some to smell. You let one rip, tape chip?
Huh?
You let one rip, tape chip?
Nah, I think you did.
No, I didn't, man. I swear to God.
I don't know. Sneeze on?
Yes, you did.
Oh, my bad, man. My bad. You alright?
Yeah, I'm okay. I just thought that was kind of rude.
Apologize.
You didn't see me here?
No, I didn't see you. Sorry about that. Dog food. Dog food. Dog food. Dog food.
Excuse me, so you smell that? You smell that? What? You smell like somebody shitted. You sure it's not you? Probably getting too old. You might want to check yourself.
Then you can help me find goldfish. Goldfish. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Yeah, you did, man. You got a problem? This whole fucking store, you gonna play this little fucking game, tell me he's behind me. Alright? Don't ever do that shit again, bro. I don't play those games. I'm a grown ass man, I don't play games, man. You hear me? Are we clear? Okay, clear out.
It was a prank.
No, it was a prank. I don't do pranks. I don't do fucking pranks. Pranks gonna get you knocked the fuck out. Look at that shit. Yeah, you really love it, too.
Hard on ice, and I can't breathe.
What the fuck?
You guys got any tissue? No. No tissue. That I know of. Physio. Yeah, good price. How much you looking to spend?
So they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. You're not real.
I'd say this right here. Yeah. Ziplocs. Let's see. I'm sorry. Sorry about that.
Don't touch.
Sorry about that. Apologize.
Oh shit. Excuse me, sir, you got any napkins? I'm so sorry.
Really, nigga?
I'm so sorry. Let me get it off for you, my friend. I'm so sorry. You got any tissue? I'm so sorry. It's allergies. Oh, I'm so sorry, miss. Can I? I'm so sorry. I did not mean to do that. It's sorry. It's allergy season. Do you have any tissue?
You got some tissue, man? No tissue. Oh man, no tissue.
I'm die.
There go that lighting again. No, but I hope y'all enjoyed the video. You know, I'm shooting my outro right now because the outro that I shot before, it got deleted. So I'm shooting the outro right now. So I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what y'all want to see me do next, because, bro, I need ideas, bro. Y'all got to talk to me, man. Y'all got to comment. I need ideas. But we on the road to 1K. I'm going to keep dropping these bangers. I'm going to keep dropping hits, man. I'm trying to make a movie soon. You hear me? Hey, man. Juggmantv.